Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time are words or phrases that provide information about when an action occurs or the frequency with which it occurs. These adverbs help give a clearer understanding of a sentence's timing and temporal aspects. Here are some common adverbs of time. Now indicates the present moment. For example, I am eating lunch now. Today refers to the current day. For example, she has a meeting today. Yesterday, this relates to the day before today. For example, he went to the store yesterday. Tomorrow relates to the day after today. For example, we're leaving for vacation tomorrow. Soon implies that something will happen in a short time. For example, dinner will be ready soon. Later indicates a time after the present or another time already mentioned. For example, I'll call you later. Early refers to a time that is before the expected or usual time. For example, he arrived early for the meeting. Late refers to a time that is after the expected or usual time. For example, she was running late for her appointment. Nowadays refers to the present time or current period. For example, nowadays, technology plays a big role in our lives. Currently indicates the current situation or time. For example, he is currently working on a new project. Before indicates a point in time earlier than now or another specified time. For example, she finished her homework before dinner. After indicates a point in time following now or another specified time. For example, they will go for a walk after breakfast. While refers to a period during which something happens. For example, she read a book while waiting for the bus. During indicates a period or range of time when something occurs. For example, it rained during the night. Always indicates that something happens all the time. For example, she always arrives early. Never indicates that something has not occurred at any time. For example, he never forgets his keys. Sometimes suggests that something occurs occasionally but not regularly. For example, I sometimes eat ice cream. Often implies that something happens frequently but not necessarily all the time. For example, they often go to the beach. Rarely indicates that something happens very infrequently. For example, he rarely goes to the cinema. Occasionally suggests infrequent or irregular occurrences. For example, they visit their grandparents occasionally. These adverbs of time help provide context to actions and events, allowing you to describe when they occur or how frequently they happen in your writing or speech.